In this video, you're going to see 5 lessons from chess that will make you a smarter person. 1. Strategy and planning. Chess requires strategic thinking and long-term planning. It teaches you to analyze the board, anticipate future moves, and make decisions based on the bigger picture. 2. Patience and perseverance. Chess is a game of patience, where careful consideration and persistence are essential. It teaches you to remain focused and resilient even in challenging situations. 3. Decision-making under pressure. Chess can be a high-pressure game, especially in competitive settings. It helps you practice making decisions under pressure and managing stress effectively. 4. Adaptability and flexibility. During a chess game, you must adapt your strategies and plans based on your opponent's moves. It strengthens your flexibility and the ability to adjust your approach when faced with unexpected circumstances. 5. Learning from mistakes. Chess provides a platform for learning from your mistakes. Every move you make has consequences. Analyzing your games will help you identify errors, improve your skills, and develop a growth mindset. For more videos like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.